Hey parents, thanks for checking back with us at Highlights at Home. We have a new installment here of free digital Fun with the Purpose resources, and the theme this time is Pack a Picnic. You know, in the summer, sometimes the ideas that call to us the loudest are the simplest, time-tested ideas. Picnics are a family-friendly activity and easy as pie to pull off, especially if you use the suggestions we've included here. Now, what's more important when you're planning a picnic, the food or the fun? Well, we don't really know, but we don't have to answer that question because we've offered suggestions for both right here. I really love our idea of creating flower sandwiches. Now, the flowers are not the ingredients in the sandwiches. They are the aesthetic. Using cookie cutters, your kids can make beautiful artsy sandwiches that lend a festive air to a simple meal. If you lay out an array of ingredients, you can encourage your kids to make customized sandwiches for each family member, thinking about individual needs and preferences. It's a simple way to give them practice thinking of others, and it will allow them to feel the endorphins that come when we do something really nice for the people we love. You can also work in a little life lesson by letting the kids help you pack the picnic basket, teaching them how to do it so the sandwiches don't get squashed. The game we've suggested here is a mashup of Tic Tac Toe and disc throw. Have your kids make the game pieces before you leave for your picnic. All they'll need are paper plates, masking tape, or chalk. This is a game that can be adapted so that both the younger children in the family and the older children can enjoy playing it. Our question here for thinking, writing, drawing is, what would you be surprised to find in a picnic basket? Now, there's no wrong answer, of course, and kids really love to get silly with this. You might even use it to play that old game that you probably remember from your childhood, that alphabet game. You know, it begins with the first person using the letter A saying, "I'm going on a picnic, and in my picnic basket, I'm packing an alligator." And the second person using the letter B says, "I'm going on a picnic, and in my picnic basket, I'm packing an alligator and a broom." And you continue through the whole alphabet until you've packed an imaginary picnic basket that is full of things representing the letters A through Z. It will give you a lot of fun and laughter. It will give your kids a little practice with a literacy skill and help them build memory. We hope you have fun on your picnic. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy and stay hopeful. Check back in a couple days and we'll have more free resources for you. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.